Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have an API key and a target endpoint. Start now by storing the key in an environment variable and never hard-code it. Once done, pick REST or GraphQL and identify the base URL and required headers like authorization and content type. Next, install a lightweight HTTP client such as Fetch or Axios and run an initial get to /health or /status to confirm connectivity. This first call validates credentials and network access, so make sure the response codes and JSON shape match expectations. You now integrate endpoints into your site by mapping each API route to a UI action, starting with GET, then moving to POST, PUT, and DELETE for changing data. Make sure to implement the proper auth flow. Handle bearer token refresh or OAuth exchanges if required, otherwise securely send the API key and headers. Once implemented, add retry logic with exponential backoff and respect rate limit headers. This prevents cascading failures. Also parse and surface meaningful error messages so users understand next steps. You're finishing up by validating user input before sending requests and sanitizing API responses before rendering them, which prevents errors and XSS. Once done, add caching for frequent reads and monitor logs with alerts for increases in 4xx or 5xx responses. If a request fails, first confirm the auth token and permissions, then inspect core settings and rate limit headers. If problems persist, capture a network trace and server logs to pinpoint timeouts or malformed payloads. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.